tripod not work?
I'll see you in a bit. 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 Alright y'all, so a few things lined up today. I am trying a new challenge for just today. Want to know you guys' opinion. It's called the tripod challenge. I know it's an odd thing to say, but based on all the circumstances and things I've been doing on this channel, I want to keep my camera on the tripod at all times. Hands free. Literally not touching the tripod, putting it on here. That's a challenge. Watch what we do, watch what it is. Let me know your ideas and your comments. Let me know how you think about what this looks like, if it changes up my storytelling, and let me know in the comments down below. Thanks. What's good, y'all? I realize I filmed a bunch of stuff I can't use because this is the tripod challenge, but I'm gonna be filming the clashing of two worlds here. One is Africa. Oh, it's like the only way I can get out of playing pool is if I bring Surla. Thanks, Surla. Choice. Hey, is this? Hey, comment down below with this crazy African rule. What is it, Felix?
If you sink your opponent's ball, you get 2 shots.
Comment down below if that's true in Africa, please. Please, please, please. Score 1-0 Surla.
America's colonizing again, what do you know? I got the table and just never played.
What?
Yeah.
What?
Like, it just wasn't, I don't know, it was like, I need separation in environments. Like, it's why the same reason I can't like do home workout stuff, because that's home. Like, I like having a gym, I play at a pool bar.
I can relate to that.
Yeah.
Spoiled. This one. Spoiled.
Yeah. Not everything they tell you about Africa is true. I was the starving African with a pool table.
The score now, 1-1. 1-1. That was pretty bad. That was pretty bad break. Smash like. Felix tossed in another 8-ball. That is 2 Surla, 1
Felix.
Mr. the Cat.
Doing anything else, I'm gonna Felix for the middle.
So,
and this is 25%.
So this was a very riveting time here at the pool hall. Felix and Surla are finishing up the last game. I'm just gonna let you know right now, Surla wins. It's a nice prediction, but I know because I'm finishing my own challenge of look at these guys, they're flirting now.
The price and the volume is reacting, what the buying and selling is doing, and then based off that, why. I like ascending triangles.
Anyways, because I'm doing this challenge where, because I'm doing this challenge where I'm not touching this camera, it's staying all on the tripod, I won't be able to like carry it out like as a mission. So Surla wins, and gotta go back to work. Talk to you soon. Alright, so wrap things up today. I'd like to just tell everyone that I'm in a very chipper mood. Today was a very fantastic day, just kind of crushed the day today. I wanted to share with you, many of the students I was talking to were sharing their New Year's plans and Christmas plans, and it just felt good, it just felt jolly. It just felt like when I was sharing mine back, I gave the same amount of energy to them. So my challenge to you, number one, find the little good in anything that you do, anything. Today, my little good was the tripod challenge. I guess you can call that. I guess anything you do should always be on a tripod. I hope I was able to convey the story of today, crushing it, making it with combining two worlds with Felix and Surla, and hopefully I had fun playing pool. I had a great time watching them discuss their ideas, planning for this Hakuba trip this weekend. So stay tuned for that. Also, I'll be working on my Singapore videos. If you guys like my Osaka series, thank you so very much. A lot of positive love for those, and I really do appreciate the likes, the comments, just everything. Thank you so very much for that. It's your boy Spencer Montek. My channel is about practicing storytelling through videos and vlogs. If you're interested in that, go ahead and smash that red subscribe button. And anywho, thanks for following along. See you tomorrow.